Hey folks, it's Renee here from Revv, as they would say here in Bangkok. Sawadee-Kap, that's right. We're here for the Subaru factory launch, alright? So more information coming your way here, right here on Singapore's only Revv.
Okay, so I think one of the first things is I think you guys went to the plant, you heard that the localization 40%. In order to localize very quickly, the simplest way was to find where the Japanese suppliers of Subaru have fully owned subsidiary in which country, and Thailand is one where all the local suppliers are subsidiaries of the Japanese parent. So that made the localization process very, very quick. There was no redesigning necessary. They could, obviously the Japanese suppliers could transfer the know-how to their local subsidiaries, and they could just make the same part here, modify it for our local CKD operation. And I think that would be the main reason to start here. And again, we have to pick among the ASEAN nations to assemble the car, one of the ASEAN nations to qualify for the AFTA CEPT scheme. Yeah. So right now, this plant is built for 100,000 four models. We are currently looking at Forester. I have not decided what's the second model, but we're currently in discussion with Subaru to see what the second model could be that we could build here. Yeah. So under the CKD, under the ASEAN CEPT scheme, by assembling here, we would be able to export within the ASEAN region where there's import duty for vehicles to enjoy zero import duty.